Hello guys, welcome to the WebApic YouTube page. In this video, we'll be learning how we can add a custom field value to one of our feeds. Now for us to be able to use this functionality, we do need the help of a third-party plugin. So let's jump in and find out which plugins we can use for us to achieve this. For the purpose of this video, the third-party plugin that we'll be using today is Advanced Custom Fields. Now, ideally speaking, you'd want to download this and install it in your site. However, in our site, under plugins, as you can see, I've already installed this. So let's go ahead and find out how we can configure this. Once your plugin is installed in your site, you want to go down and find custom fields. Now let's go inside here, and as you can see here, we have already configured one field for us, which is cost of goods sold. Right now I'll show you how we can add another new one. So let's go ahead and click on this little button called add field. Now here, let's say I'm creating a new group for age group. So this is our new custom field, and as you can see, this automatically gets populated. As you can see under field tab, we've got all these different options, but for now I'll just keep it simple and keep it as text. You also have other functionalities, like you can toggle this on and off, which makes the custom field required. That means when you're creating a feed, you will definitely need that field to be populated. Now we have all these other options as well, but for now I'll just keep everything blank and I'll just go and update this. Once you update it, as you can see, this comes up under your custom fields. So right now, let's go ahead and configure a few of our products with this new custom field that we have created. Another important thing that you need to keep an eye out for is the location. So as you can see under post type is equals to I've chosen product, which means I want this custom field to show up under my product page only. Here you can see you have other places you can have them show up as well. You can have them show under post, page, product, order, coupon. For now, I'll keep it as product. Now let's go into products and configure them. Let's choose the first one that we have, lady shoes. Under lady shoes, as you can see here, we can see the custom field that we have created, and here we have age group. So let me have a quick look under Google's definition of what the supported values are: newborn, infant, toddler, kids, adult. So let's say this is adult. Cool. Let's set it up. Let's update it now. Now let's find another product. Let's say winter long sleeve hoodie. Let's go inside custom field and let's say this is for kids. Let's go ahead and update it. Let's find another product. Let's say bottle perfume. This is going to be for adults, and I'll update it. So right now we have configured a few of our products to show up the correct age group. So the lady shoes are adult, the winter long sleeve hoodie is for kids, and the bottle perfume is for adults as well. Right now, let's go in and create a new feed and see if these changes that we have made have taken effect. Now we are in our CTX feed plugin. Let's go into one of our existing feeds and see if we can add the new custom field that we have created. So I'm going to go down and click on add new attribute. I'm going to say age group, and let's see if we can find the attribute here. So I'm going to scroll down. What I'm looking for right here, there you go, age group. So I'm going to click on that. This is the one that we have just created. And let's update and generate feed. Once the feed is ready, let's download it and have a look at what the feed looks like. There you go. In our feed, you can see that under ladies shoes, we have this new category called age group and it says adult. Let's look at winter long sleeve hoodie. As you can see under the age group here, it says kids. Let's see if we can find the bottle perfume. There you go, we have the bottle perfume here, and under age group it says adult as well. So there you go guys, this is how you can add a custom field to your feeds. Now if you have any question, you're welcome to reach out to us at support@webapppic.com. I hope everybody found this video useful. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. I hope everybody has a good day. Thank you very much.